Are you looking for the best lenses for Sony? Lenses are the heartbeat of a camera system. And for Sony full-frame E-mount shooters, choosing the right glass can define image quality, portability, and creative flexibility. This comparison examines 5 Sony lenses that span a budget to premium spectrum, offering a mix of prime and zoom options, constant and variable apertures, and a range of focal lengths to cover everyday storytelling to longer reach. Product number 1. Sony FE 50mm f1.8 Standard. Overview. The SEL50 f1.8 f2 is Sony's approachable prime for full-frame E-mount, offering a bright f1.8 aperture in a compact, lightweight package. Its 50mm focal length is a classic everyday portrait and general use option, with a 7-blade circular aperture that cultivates smooth defocus. The lens benefits from a double Gauss design to suppress field curvature and distortion, and an asymmetrical element to curb spherical aberration and coma, contributing to consistent image quality across the frame. With a measured weight around 6.6 ounces and small footprint, it's built for travel and street work where portability matters, yet remains robust enough for daily use. Pros: compact form factor, bright f1.8 aperture, effective aberration control, lightweight, good bokeh for its class. Cons: not weather sealed, maximum aperture advantage gradually diminishes at close focus, slightly less edge-to-edge performance compared to higher-end primes. Performance-wise, the lens is optimized for pleasing out-of-focus backgrounds in shallow depth-of-field scenes and low-light situations. The combination of a bright aperture and Sony's optical design yields pleasing micro-contrast and color rendition, making it a strong general-purpose lens for portraits, couple shoots, and everyday street photography. Autofocus on newer bodies benefits from the lens's compact design, though edge performance and corner sharpness can soften wide open, improving as you stop down to f2.8 to f4.0. Its small size makes it an excellent travel companion, and the lens balance on smaller bodies minimizes fatigue during long shoots. For video, the smooth bokeh and lightweight are advantageous, but the lack of sealing means you'll want to protect it in inclement weather. Product number 2. Sony 24-70mm f4 Vario. Overview. The SEL2470Z is a versatile standard zoom that covers wide to short tele ranges, 24 to 70 millimeters, with a constant f4 aperture and optical steady shot (OSS). It uses Zeiss T anti-reflective coatings to minimize flare and maintains relatively compact dimensions for a 24 to 70 zoom. Weighing about 15 ounces, it's a portable workhorse for events, travel, and everyday shooting where flexibility matters more than extreme low-light performance. Pros: flexible focal range, constant aperture for video and consistency, built-in OSS, compact for a zoom of this range, Zeiss coating helps contrast. Cons: f4 is modest in low light, not the sharpest in the 24 to 70 class. Some users note distortion at certain focal lengths near 24 millimeters, and higher priced relative to consumer kit zooms. Performance-wise, the lens delivers solid everyday imaging with decent edge-to-edge sharpness at mid-range apertures and reliable stabilization for handheld filming. Because the maximum aperture is f4, lighting conditions may necessitate higher ISO or slower shutter speeds in dim venues, though OSS helps mitigate shake for stills and video. The 24 to 70 millimeter range is ideal for event photographers, documentary shooters, and hobbyists who want one lens to cover most scenarios, from environmental portraits to landscape squints. Build quality remains strong, but the design prioritizes portability over extreme optical resolution, meaning you'll notice crisper results from higher-end primes and narrower focal ranges. Product number 3. Sony 28 to 70 millimeters f3.5 to 5.6 FE Overview. The SEL2870 is a mid-range, affordable full-frame zoom that aims for lightness and portability. With optical stabilization and a variable aperture of f3.5 to 5.6, it targets casual shooters and beginners who want a practical zoom for everyday scenes. Its 3 spherical elements and 1 ED element help control aberrations for a pleasing general-purpose lens, while the built-in OSS supports handheld shooting at slower shutter speeds. Pros: very affordable for full frame, compact and light, OSS helps handheld use, decent standard zoom for day-to-day shooting, simple operation. Cons: slower maximum aperture than f4 and faster pro zooms, price to performance balance is lower than mid-range competitors. At longer ends, sharpness can dip and distortions remain visible at the wide end. Performance-wise, the lens serves well for beginners or hobbyists who want a budget-friendly option that still covers 28 to 70 millimeters. Real-world use benefits from the OSS for street photography, travel, and casual video. However, f3.5 to 5.6 means you'll either need more light or higher ISO in dim environments. The lens is easy to handle and travel-friendly, and while sharpness is acceptable for many uses, it won't compete with higher-end Sony zooms or prime lenses in terms of micro-contrast and edge resolution. Color and contrast remain pleasing for everyday scenes, making it a sensible starter zoom. Product number 4. Sony E55 to 210mm f4.5 to 6.3 OSS Overview. The SEL55210 is a telephoto zoom designed mainly for APS-C bodies, but also adaptable on full frame by a crop. It features a 55 to 210mm focal range with OSS and a modest open aperture of f4.5 to 6.3, making it a lightweight option for reach at a relatively low cost. The lens sits in Sony's budget telephoto category, offering a practical solution for sports, wildlife, and travel where distance needs to be covered without adding significantly to the kit. Pros: long reach in a compact form, built-in OSS helps with handheld telephoto shoots, affordable for telephoto coverage, good for beginners. Cons: slower aperture restricts dusk or indoor use, heavier distortion at longer focal lengths, not ideal for full-frame users who shoot wide scenes. Performance-wise, the focal length is attractive for capturing distant subjects, with OSS helping to stabilize shots at moderate shutter speeds. The trade-off is the aperture range. In dim lighting or when shooting fast action, ISO climbs and noise becomes more visible. For travel and casual wildlife, the lens offers an approachable balance of reach and portability. Though it lacks the optical performance of higher-end telephotos, it may introduce some color fringing at maximum reach. The weight is manageable and the balance on crop sensor bodies is generally favorable.
Product number 5. Sony SEL16f28 16mm f2.8 Wide Overview. The SEL16f28 is a compact, wide-angle prime designed for Sony's smaller format bodies and APS-C ecosystems, with 35mm equivalent around 24mm. It's not a zoom, but a dedicated wide option for landscapes, architecture, and environmental portraits. Its 16mm focal length coupled with f2.8 offers broad field of view with efficient light gathering for its class, and its slim profile makes it a natural ultra-wide for street and travel. Pros: extremely small and light, wide field of view, fast enough for low-light landscapes, good for architectural shots, inexpensive entry into wide-angle glass. Cons: not compatible with full-frame sensors without crop, fixed focal length limits versatility, prone to coma at edges if not stopped down. Performance-wise, the lens excels in landscapes and interior photography where depth and perspective are key. The wide-angle exaggeration of space can be dramatic, and the fast f2.8 helps with shutter speed and ISO control in dim light, though you'll still want to stop down to improve edge sharpness. Chromatic aberration is typically manageable with Sony's lens design, and the small size makes it appealing for travel kits. The optical performance is most admired at mid to wide angles, with some softening towards the extreme edges at wide open.